Okay, hi. So I'm Jim and this is Pizza Meeple.
I think it's
and weird flex, but okay. Hi, I'm Jim and from Pizza Meeple, and here we have Marshall
Britt.
He's gonna be talking about Marshall Stegmeyer or Mayor Britt. So you're from like the UK?
My last name is
because
Britt.
you don't have an accent, so I didn't.
It's
Britt. Can I say Britt, or is that something only you can say?
It's Britt with two T's.
With two T's. Marsh. So how do you spell that?
Britt.
And your first name's Marshall? How do you spell that?
Marshall.
So there's no part in your name that was okay with one letter? Is your middle name Paul with two L's? Awesome. Okay, so you have a game that's made for tables. Any kind of table? Doesn't matter what kind of table you have?
No.
Just any flat surface?
Yeah.
Good. So what is it? How do you spell? What is it now?
Blume.
Blume? Okay,
yeah.
How do you spell that? Oh.
Blume.
Cool. So which Judy Blume classic is this based on? Or was it her to get the rights from her estate?
No. It's not about young adult novels.
Oh. And it's spelled. Okay. So why don't you tell the people about it? I guess we're still really interested in it.
Sure. So Blume is a tile laying game where you are influencing a market while you're building flowers, and once you're able to complete a flower, you're able to either increase the flowers in your market or affect the actual market that's public for everyone else. There's also some different modular pieces that go into the game, and so as your family grows or as your playgroup grows, you can add more pieces to it to make the game more complex.
So I don't mean to interrupt, but I'm seeing a distinct lack of something for me to Jenga. Was that a conscious design choice, or?
Yes.
Jenga. So what else do you do? What are those?
These are the tiles.
Okay.
They have 4 different flowers on each corner, and then you of course want to match the same colors together. There's also hybrid tiles where you can match 2 different colors together.
So is this game organic, GMO free, fair trade?
Sure.
So you're trying to appeal to hipsters with a nice nature theme.
It's not a food truck game.
Oh, so do you think that making a game for nerds that never leave their house, making a nature so that you can experience what it's like to be outside? Is that kind of what or is that too negative? Interview's going great.
So the player who ends up getting the most flowers that are worth the most in the market at the end of the game wins. And we're on Kickstarter right now until April 29th.
Hey, do you remember the Motley Crue, the musical people?
Yeah.
Because they had that song, Kickstart My Heart. And you said Kickstart, and I was thinking that I thought of that because Kickstart's the same.
That was like 6 seconds ago. Do you not remember what I said 6 seconds ago?
Please stop it.
No, yeah, Motley Crue. I'm more of a Tears for Fears guy.
No idea. So this is going to be the part of the show where we're going to take calls, and people can call in. So if we can get the number on the bottom of the screen. Oh, we're not doing that? Okay.
So is that it?
Can I get a ride?